Hey QVC babes, Lisa here with BUXOM Cosmetics, and I'm so excited because today I'm gonna share with you BUXOM's secret weapon to getting seriously plumped lips. We're gonna be using the BUXOM's famous Plump Line lip liners. If you haven't tried our Plump Line lip liners, what are you waiting for? Because these are so much more than a lip pencil. These help to truly define, pout, and fill in your lips for that fullest pout potential. So ready? Here's the first step. I'm gonna be using and starting with shade Hush Hush. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take your lip pencil and you're gonna create an X along the Cupid's bow, just like this. Then starting from the outer corner, work your way upward. This is gonna give you that poutier, fuller look because there's more of a rounded shape. And then same thing on the bottom. Now, because Plump Line lip liner is thicker than a traditional pencil, this gives you an easy way to just fill in your lips. Then flip it over to the brush and blend. That's one way. Now, if you want even fuller looking lips, I'm gonna show you how to achieve that using two BUXOM Plump Line lip liners. So today I've chosen shade Code Red and Incognito. I have them here on the back of my hand, Code Red, Incognito, and I'm gonna start with Code Red. So framing my lips in the same way that I did earlier. So starting with that X on the Cupid's bow and then framing them. There's that X, and then framing them just like I did before. Then using these short linear lines, kind of mimicking the same line that I have naturally in my lips, just like so. Then I'm gonna take a lighter shade. So in this case, I'm doing shade Incognito, and I'm gonna fill in any spaces that I didn't already get with that shade Code Red. Then flip it on over and blend it in using that handy dandy built-in brush. This gives you the optical illusion of a fuller, poutier looking lip. And if you still wanna go even bigger and bolder and sexier with your lips, you can even layer on the BUXOM Full On Plumping Lip Polish. I'm gonna be using shade Lisa because that's my name. I love that these shades are named after names. So if you wanna find your own name, go for it, have fun with it. I'm gonna put mine on right now. And there you have it. That's BUXOM's secret weapon to sexy, fuller, plumper, and poutier looking lips. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks so much for joining. I'll see you soon.